What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv, and today let's see 12 plus best features of MIUI 9. Now if you're new to MIUI, then you can watch 50 plus tips and tricks video, part 1 and part 2, which I've already made. Links for them will be given in the description box below. Kindly check them out as well. Alright guys, now the first best feature of MIUI 9 is split screen mode, which enables you to have two screens or two applications running at the same time, enhancing your multitasking abilities. Now this is implemented much better than stock Android, as you have convenience of swapping the applications by just double tapping on the center bar, which I believe is pretty handy. And also there is another shortcut which you should know, that is you can double tap the menu button to switch to recently used application, which is also pretty handy in my opinion. Next, in notification panel, you can use two-finger swipe down gesture for detailed information about a particular notification. And if you swipe right to left, you get an option called unimportant. So you can select that option for the notifications of your choice, and they will be clubbed and stored in a separate folder. And if you want to return to normal mode, then select that folder, again swipe right to left and click on important. In this way, managing notifications is much easier now. You can enable or disable an option called notifications folder from settings/notification and status bar. Next, we all know that MIUI has reading mode or blue light filter under display settings, which gives the display yellow tint and is considered to be good for your eyes if you have habit of reading in low light. Now there is one improvement over here. They have added a feature called Good Night's Read, which automatically switches on the reading mode after sunset. So you no longer have to manually switch it on or switch it off. Next up guys, there is new button functionality added. So you can now long press the back button to turn off the screen, and you can use the fingerprint sensor to turn it on. So you don't have to press the physical power button at all, which is very convenient in my opinion. You can enable or disable this one under buttons and gesture shortcuts under additional settings. Now if you're left-handed and if you're comfortable using menu button or home button instead of back button, then you have the option to do so. Alright guys, next up, lot has been changed for home screen customization. If you have to move applications from one home screen to another home screen, it's pretty easy now. All you have to do is select the applications you want to move, press and hold on them, and drag them onto the home screen of your choice. It's very easy and handy now. Next, a new setting icon has been added, which houses transition effects, which you can apply between pages. It looks a lot cleaner now. Next, you also get the option of selecting default home screen among available pages. You can also lock the home screen layout. By doing so, applications are locked onto their positions, onto their places. So if you don't want misplaced icons on your home screen, then definitely you can use this option. Next, if you go to more options, you can select default launcher if in case you have installed some third-party launchers. It's pretty handy. You can access this from home screen settings itself. And you can also enable or disable memory status, which is specifically visible in multitasking tray or recent apps tray. Next, most of the app icons have animations added to them, which definitely looks cool in my opinion and adds aesthetic value. Next up guys, we all know that MIUI has quick ball functionality, which houses some important shortcuts, and it can also be customized to hold applications or quick settings of your choice. Now there is one improvement to that is it moves away or sticks to one of the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity, which is definitely good I believe, as it does not hinder your day-to-day usage from now on. You can enable it or disable it under quick ball under additional settings. Next up guys, they have added search functionality to dual apps. You no longer have to worry navigating through long list of applications, so you can just type in the search box and it'll get the job done. Next up guys, new feature has been added to battery saver. That is, battery saver is automatically enabled if your device is charged less than 60%, restricting the background activity. It's automatically disabled if the charge is 60% or more. So you don't have to enable it or disable it manually. It can be done automatically. They've also added smart scenes under a setting called Manage Apps Battery Usage. So while it's in sleep mode, MIUI will close all the background apps, restrict NFC, Bluetooth, GPS, mobile data, Wi-Fi, etc. And the screen also won't light up for notifications. Next up guys, there is a new version of Mi Drop app, which is synonymous to share it. So you can share all types of files including images, videos, music, applications, etc. using this. Now the good thing is it's not exclusive to Mi phones. It's available for all Android phones, and I'll leave the Play Store links in the description box below so you can check that out. So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.